Eshuli rises, light to the sky.
Thank you once again. My name is Tofi Neomungeri. This is Eshuli Technology. Today we are going to learn how to simulate rectifier by using proteus softwares. So I would like to invite you all technicians on different locations, like Rwandan technician, Singapore technician, and every technician on different location at this words. So, and also I don't forget the people who does not make subscribe. Please make subscribe in order to be updated for every videos uploaded on this platform of Eshuli TV. Eshuli Technology is a college that helps all technicians in different locations, either in Rwanda, in out of country, to be trained by using physical class and online class in order to be experts in electronics. If you want internship, contact Eshuli Technology. I would like to join Eshuli TV for free in online.
Tangira none utangire natwe kwiga amasomo y'ikoranabuhanga maze duteze imbere made in Rwanda. Tuziga software zitandukanye: Arduino, Proteus, Multisim, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, SolidWorks n'izindi. Amahitamo yawe ni uguhitamo neza, ntaba ari usigara, ntaba ari wowe.
Here we go.
Let's started revising yesterday course. Yesterday part 1 I was learned transistor in general, the transistor introduction in transistor, how transistor is operate, and also where to circuit is implemented, BGT, and also we have to know the types of transistor, bipolar junction transistor. And yesterday part 2 we have the MOSFET. What is a MOSFET? Metal oxide field defect transistor, how it work, which the circuit are implemented. That it is very understandable. If you have some challenges in the transistor, it is possible to ask me by through any comment. Always I'm very updated Eshuli TV channel. Today course is how to simulating rectifier circuit by using proteus softwares. In this course we have seen that all components designed rectifier circuit, the main component of designing this circuit. How to design by using proteus, why is important to design this circuit, and how to measure the output. Welcome on this course. First of all, what is rectifier circuit? That is a problem asking himself, what is rectifier circuit? The rectifier circuit is a circuit designing to convert from AC signal into the DC signal regulated. Yes, is a circuit designing to convert from AC signal into DC signal. I think you are asking that what is AC in forward, what is DC in forward. Yes, AC is alternating current, but DC is direct current, or electronic component using direct current or DC current. But it is different to electric devices and electronic devices. That is the difference. Electric device, those devices which connecting alternating current directly, but not needed to convert from AC signal into DC signal. And then when we say electronic device, those are devices which needs converted from AC signal into DC signal. For example of electronic devices, as you know, it is many electronic device. Let's take an example. Television is electronic device because it need converted signals from AC signal into DC signal. All right, another example, computers, laptop, it is needed this circuit in order to convert from AC signal into direct current or DC signals. We know that all computers, it is needed before it need computer adapters. I think you are understanding what is the difference of electric signal and electronic signal. Let's shift it in electric signal. So let's continue about electric devices. Electric device, as I said before, it is devices needed a supply without converted from AC to DC. Those are devices used AC without converted. Let's take an example. Proteus, it take AC signal directly without converted from AC into DC, direct connecting AC signals. Another example, I think you know, in construction, drill machine directly AC connected. It does not need direct current, converted direct current for if it is using. So that is electric devices. It is many different electric device. And this transformer, as you see here, it is electric device because it used in AC step up and step down AC. It does not need converted signals from AC to DC. That is an example of electric devices. I think you are common understanding about difference between electric devices and electronic device. So that is the reason why this circuit is called electronic devices, because it's used for conversion from AC signal into direct current or DC signals. That is the reason. Understanding the difference between electric and electronic devices, we are going to go through in deeply in this circuit in order to understanding step by step all why components are included on this circuit, and you have to know that what is the main function of it for every component. So let's start about this transformer. What is transformer? Why transformer is the main function on that circuit? So as I told you before, transformer is electric devices which help us to step up and step down AC signals, but it is not DC. It is not converted to DC. According to the types of transformer, these types of this transformer, it helps us to step down from AC signal into AC again, but it is different to chopper transformer which helps us to step up DC current into step up again. It is different to this transformer. On this circuit, this transformer, it helps us to step down 220 voltage into the minimum voltage, the AC voltage in output. So this input, this is the output. So this is the part of connecting input. This is 220 voltage, and this is the output. So that is the main function of this transformers. So the second part is bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier, it consists of 4 diodes. In types of this diode is called ordinary diode. Ordinary diode is a diode. This diode, it helps us. This diode, you know that the diode it conduct in one direction. That is the main specification or specific of a diode, is conduct in one direction. When you want to anode to cathode or positive to negative, when you try to connect in a reverse direction, those diode always it is conducted, but it is bursting. It is a bursting after conduct. It is burst. So that is the reason why to use this bridge rectifier. As you see, those bridge rectifier, it consists of 4 diodes. 2 by 2, it is conducted in one direction. So when AC signal passing in 2 diodes in one direction, the signal is moving half. It is the output when the signal from this transformer conducting in this diode, the 2 diodes, the output is half wave rectified. That the signal, it is half, is a positive. It is the amplitude is located in positive only. But when you continue in another 2 diodes, like another direction, the output is already is positive side. It is the same on previous one. So that is the reason why to use 4 diodes in bridge rectifier in order to convert from AC signal into direct current. So that is the reason why to use this bridge rectifier. So we are continuing this capacitor. It is electrolytic capacitor which helps us to small field. Output from this bridge rectifier is DC, but it has some noise. That is the reason why to use capacitor for filtration. After filtrating these signals of DC, for removing the noise on that signals. So that is the reason why to use capacitor for filtration on that signal. So after filtration, we need voltage regulator in order to help us to regulating the output according to the load. We know that the load, it is different. When you say a load, it's like, let me take an example. When you say a load, it's like a charger. If we build the rectifier phone charging, those phone is called a load. When you build this rectification for using in charging a computer, those computer is called a load. According to, in terms of this regulator, it is electronic component. It is electronic component which help us to regulate the output. So that is the main function of this component of voltage regulators. It is different according to their type. According to their load, you must choose the voltage regulator according to the output. So this voltage regulator is RM07805. Those 05 is called, the output is voltage 5 voltage. Is not the output producing on the output of this voltage regulator is constant 5. That is the reason why to use this phone. When you don't use this voltage regulator, it causes, sometimes was damaged. It will be damaged if you don't use voltage regulator. It will be the load, it will be busted according to their variations. Those variation of the output of this DC, and also after regulating the output, it is very important to use this capacitor in order to filtrate another carriers or another with the output of regulator, in order to getting the regulating voltage to the output, in order to protecting your rods. That is the reason why to use the voltage regulator and this capacitor. So that is the overview. I hope you are doing the common understanding to the all electronic component build rectification. So we are going to go through in deeply about types of transformer, go through deeply types of transformer or the main function in this electronic field. Thinking about transformer, as I told you before, is electrical device. It is used to transfer electrical energy between two more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is mainly used in step up and step down according to their types. It increase, step up or increase, and step down the voltage level in the power system. According to their all circuit you are going to design, you must choosing transformer according to their value you want to stepping up or stepping down. So the transformer, it has very different types according to the application. These types of this transformer is step up and step down used in electronic field. But another transformer, we have another types of transformer used in electrical field. Let's continue about these types of transformer in order to get common understanding about transformer. So transformer operate on this principle of Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction. So the transformer, it has operating or it designed according to the Faraday's law, which called electromagnetic induction. It consists of two winding coils. So the transformer, it has two different coil on internal, primary coil and secondary coil. Those coil, when you supplying primary coil, it generating electromagnetic induction. That is called this principle of Faraday's law. The primary winding receive alternating current, creating charging magnetic field in those core. In primary winding, it is supplying AC signal, and then it create electromagnetic induction to the secondary output, and then to the secondary coil, and then getting the output according to their types, according to their operation and and according to their capabilities. That is the overview of transformer in internal coil. So in a transformer, it has different types according to their types. In electronics, we have step up transformer to increase the voltage in any power transmission, and step down transformer as you can see on previous circuit in electronic field, and also isolation in transformer in electrical field, provide isolation between the circuit, and the auto transfer, it uses a single winding with variable table, is this one. So let's continue in the simulation in order to see what is rectification, how to simulate and how to running. So welcome on simulation. That is the proteus, that is the rectification circuit. So first of all, as I told you yesterday, I teach you how to use the proteus, how to searching component we are going to use, how to zoom in and zoom out, how to do everything about on this proteus. So today we are going to start on this component build rectification circuit. So this is a bridge rectifier, this 2W, this rectification. If you see the name of component but not understanding, you must be click on this. And also, so if you want to know the picture or the name of device you have on this part, you must press on this and then click in your name if you want to know the component. So this is the bridge rectifier. So 7805 is regression, is the component which helps us to regulate the output, as I said before on the last. This is a capacitor, electrolytic capacitor. I think you will see the name. It is electrolytic capacitor, and also this is another capacitor. This is a transformer, as I think you will see this image. And also here we have the input or the voltage or the AC is called the VCE. That is the AC. As I told you, if you want to change the voltage input, is a possible thing you see here. You must be changed from 220 or 10 voltage AC according to the circuit you want to build. So 220 voltage input on this circuit. And also here you have the AC volt. That is the tools which help us to measure the output in a transformer. Let us to simulate to see the output of transformer before you connecting the AC 220 voltage on this transformer. We are going to see the output on this. So as you see here, we have 112 voltage output from 220 voltage AC. That is the output, 112 voltage in AC for output of transformer. The output of bridge rectifier is positive 6.43 AC, 43 DC output of bridge rectifier. That is the end of the output is constant 5 voltage to the output, is this one. After regulating, after filter gain, that is the constant of 5 voltage of the output. So that is the end of today's session. I would like to thanks for everyone who watching these videos or this course of rectifier, how to simulating the rectifier in proteus softwares. It is a good software. It is very better softwares that helps to simulate different projects according to something you want to. It is very easy. We are here to help you or something you want to know in electronic field. So thank you very much. If you don't make subscribe, please make subscribe right now in order to be updated for every videos, for every courses uploaded in our YouTube channel, in order to help them in these technologies.
witangara uwo ni umubeshyi yikubeshya reka n'abakubeshya bakubwira ko utabimenye. Dore igisubizo. Eshuli Technology Company Limited yabazaniye isomo ryiza rishya mu ndimi zose rya Basic Electronics. Tuziga gukoresha components zose za electronic, aha twavuga transistor, resistor, capacitor n'izindi. Nanone kandi tuziga circuit design hifashishijwe software zitandukanye nka Autodesk, Ego, Proteus n'izindi. Wikikanwa va kuba kubeshya. Dore ishuri itandukana n'ubukene utangire none wisange mu basirimu basobanukiye ikoranabuhanga. Duhamagare kuri 0785513252 cyangwa 0788539990. Dukurikirane kuri platform zacu zose ni Eshuli TV.